To be honest, I wasn't going to make this video today because I went to bed late yesterday and I'm really still tired. I haven't recovered. So basically, where do I even begin? Guys, what I'm going to talk to you about today is going to blow your mind. Trust me. Okay, so Elegant Themes and WishList Member did an integration. And yesterday I was playing around with this integration and to be honest, it is mind-blowing. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to switch over here to my site. So what you need in order for you to access this integration or see this integration is you need to be running Divi. You also need to be running the latest WishList Member update. Okay, right. So over here, what I've done is I've installed WishList Member. I've also installed Divi. So the integration goes something like this. If you head over here to your setup and then you go to integrations, other services, you are now going to notice that you now have Divi. So you can toggle this on and off. So by default, it's going to be off, but you want to make sure, of course, it's on. That's all you need to do to activate this integration. So what this integration does is you are now able to display content based on membership levels and also based on if members are logged in or logged out. Now, isn't that amazing? Let me show you how this works. All right, so now that I've activated it, I'm now going to go to my page. So what I've done ahead of time is I've gone in and I've added all this content so I can show you how this works. So to see this integration, you need to come over here. So if you click here, let's start off with the sections. So where this integration is over here on the advanced tab. So if you click here on advanced, now you see WishList Member. By default, everything is set to everybody. So everyone can see all the content pretty much across the whole website, which in my opinion is a very good idea because you don't want to start off by stopping people from seeing certain type of content. So the default setting is everyone sees the content. Okay, now what do we see when we click here on this drop down? And this is where the action begins. Okay, so now you can see, you can actually say to this section right here, we want people to see it, but this is going to be accessible to people who are not logged in. Okay, you can also say logged in. You can also say members of a specific level or members who are not in a specific level. This is amazing. So what we're going to do now is to set all our permissions. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Back over here, you need to make sure you have membership levels. So I'm going to come over here to setup. So here on the membership levels, I've created level 2. To create a membership level, it's quite straightforward. All you have to do is to click on this plus button, and then you want to give your membership level a name. So I'm going to call this level 1. Hit apply. So now I have level 1 and level 2. If you want to see them, you can either go to the dashboard here, and this will show you all the levels. So here we go, level 1 and level 2. Now I want to come over here to my members, so I can see what membership level I'm added to. So currently I'm not added to any membership levels. Okay, now let's head over here and set our permissions. So the first one here needs to be set to everyone. I want everyone to see this. So let's come over here to advanced, WishList Member, everybody. Okay, we're happy with that. Good. Now there's also something I need to mention here, and that is these access levels can be added to sections, rows, and modules. Let me show you quickly. All right, so back over here, let's head over here to our rows. If I click on rows, again, I can show this row based on the same conditions that I mentioned earlier on here on this drop down. And we can also do this on the actual module. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna go to advanced, WishList Member, and there we go. So we can still also do that. But you know what? I prefer to do it like on the section level. Okay, that's what I prefer, but it's up to you how you want to use this. Okay, so this first one here is set to everybody. Okay, and I've also made a quick note here to say this is for everyone. Let's move on to the next one. Now, this one here is for people that are not logged in. So let's go ahead and make sure that is the case. Click here on advanced, WishList Member, not logged in. Great. Let's move on to the next one. Now, this one here is for logged in members only. So I'm going to click here, advanced, WishList Member, logged in. Fantastic. So this is looking great so far. Now let's move on to the next one. And this one here is for level 2 members. Okay, let's again confirm this. Come over here, advanced, WishList member, level 2. Great. Now let's save this page and see if this is now working. All right, so this is the moment of truth. All right, so now that I've saved my content, I'm going to now come over here to this page. Let's refresh it. Great. So of course, this one here says everyone. So anyone who comes to our website is going to see this, which is great. Moving on. Now I am logged in, as you can see, as the admin. So I am going to be able to see this content. Now moving forward, I am not in level 1, so therefore I can see this content here. Fantastic. Isn't this amazing? Okay, so you may be thinking, okay, what if I'm not logged in? What's going to happen? Now remember, we set our permissions here, our access levels. So if you're not logged in, we are going to see this. So what we're going to do now is we are going to open this page in incognito mode. All right, so let's do that. I'm going to come over here, File, New Incognito Window. Paste my URL, bang. Let's see what happens now. There we go. So this content here is for everyone. Everyone can see it. That's good. Now let's move over here. There we go. Not logged in is displayed. And now I can go ahead, add my username, password, and log on to the website. Isn't that amazing? Guys, I can see so many use cases for this feature that has just been released. It is amazing. You can go on a specific page and say, you know what, members who are not in this membership level can upgrade at a discount, and this can only show for those members who are not in that membership level. Imagine that. What about having headers which show up based on membership levels? What about just messages? Let's say you have a message to upgrade to a specific level. So this could be in a case maybe where you have VIP members, but of course they are VIP members, they can't upgrade anymore. That's their highest level. So you don't want to show this. So what you do is you create a message that excludes the VIP members by saying, show this to members who are not in VIP. And these are the people that can upgrade to become VIP members. Wow. Come on, guys. I'm sure you can agree with me that this is amazing. So WishList Member now has not just become a membership plugin, but it has become part of the ecosystem that allows your website now to become dynamic. It also allows access control to different types of content on your website. It also integrates with so much on your website to a point where you would really have to have this plugin now moving forward. It's very, very powerful. In fact, I have a link in the video description below. You can use that. It also comes with bonuses on how to use this plugin extensively. I will be doing a lot more courses on this just to show you how you can use all these advanced features. You can see in my excitement, this is one of the greatest updates I've seen in 2021. And you know what, guys? Go and try it out. Anyway, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.